Having enough water in the toilet bowl matters because the plunger needs a water seal to generate the suction and pressure that will move the blockage. A plunger works by alternately increasing and decreasing pressure to dislodge whatever is blocking the trap and drain. Start by confirming the water level covers the plunger cup by at least half. If it does not, add water slowly so the bowl reaches that level without causing an overflow. For many modern toilets, you can lift the tank handle slightly so water trickles into the bowl without performing a full flush. This is safer than pouring water, which can splash or introduce air pockets. Position the plunger vertically and center the cup over the drain opening, then press down firmly to expel air and create a seal, and use steady, rhythmic strokes rather than violent jerks. After about 10 to 20 strokes of slow push and pull, pause and try a gentle flush to test whether the water drains. Repeat if necessary, but avoid repeated full flushes that risk overflow. If the plunger still fails and water rises toward the rim, stop and bail out excess water into a bucket to reduce spill risk before trying again or calling for professional help. Always wear gloves and protect nearby floors and surfaces from splashes to reduce contamination and cleanup. Common mistakes include using a plunger when the bowl is too low on water, which lets air compress and prevents suction. Fix this by adding water until the plunger cup is partially submerged and resealing the cup to the hole. A second mistake is failing to form a proper seal because the cup is not centered or the flange-type plunger is not used for a toilet. Correct this by using a bell or flange toilet plunger, seating it firmly over the drain, and ensuring the rubber lip conforms to the porcelain. A third problem is overusing full flushes to test progress, which can cause overflow and mess. Avoid this by using small amounts of added water or a slight tank handle lift to test drainage and bail out excess water if the bowl rises too high. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new work opportunities related to projects like plumbing and repairs. We also host a discussion community where users and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.